In front of me is INFINIX Note 60, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. First of all, you need to open Gallery app and decide if you want to get rid of your photos from Photos or Albums sections available at the bottom. Let's start with one of your albums. Click on this icon at the top right corner, 2 squares and a check mark. And then this square also at the top right corner to pick all of your photos. Now, to keep some of them, slide your finger across chosen ones. And to get rid of the rest, use the delete button at the bottom. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. It works the same in Photos section. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!